Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you some of the very beautiful e-commerce stores WordPress themes. If you will use any of these themes, I can guarantee that you will generate more and more sales because all of these themes are optimized for sales. So the very first theme that I have shortlisted is called Shoptimizer. This theme has very beautiful template. You can check this is optimized for sales. They have like this hover animation and everything. Then the other theme that we have is called the gem. You can check this demo here. And then we have another theme called Honjo. This is the template of Honjo. We have a slider at a hero section. The images are very beautiful. The layout is very clean, minimalist and modern. There are animations and everything. You can see there is a timer. Then we have this Instagram widget here. So this is also a very beautiful theme. Then we have another theme called Riot. You can check its demo here. And then we have this theme called Marketo. This is for like multi-vendor e-commerce and WooCommerce store. If you are planning for that, then this theme will definitely help you. Then we have another very famous theme which is called FlatSum. FlatSum have some parallax animations included as well for e-commerce stores. So you can have a look at this one as well. Then we have another theme called Basil and Co. This is for bags. You can use it any way you like. This one also looks very clean and modern. Then we have the last one which is called Porto. This is the template or demo for the Porto. I like this theme very much. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.